guys, so it is, what time is it? 6 in the morning. I'm awake, I'm doing good. Everything's good, just locking up the house, getting ready to head out. We are going back to, as we do every December, we're going back with Jack Jr. and Brianna. We're going to Orlando. We're going to the Universal Park, and it's kind of I guess it's kind of a Harry Potter thing because everybody dresses up and it's like Halloween or something. It's really weird. They wear their robes and their scarves and they try to look like Harry Potter and that kind of thing. And everybody brings their interactive wands so they can use it in the park. But basically, it's just a thing we do every December. It's kind of cool. Best time to go to Florida is December. And it's pouring rain, so we're good to fly out of here. So I'm doing a full video on this. If you don't know what this package is, we buy this every year. It's through the Orlando Informer on Facebook. And basically you get these special VIP tickets that allow you to have run of the park all night long. And I'll show you all the details later, but basically you get a hotel and so you got to pay for hotel and airfare, but they kick everybody out of the park. And then all the ticket holders that have these VIP tickets, which is only like, I don't know, it's weird. You walk on every ride. They get the main rides going, and it's a cool bargain. You can ride all the rides probably in an hour and a half to 2 hours, run from ride to ride because there's no lines. You feel like Michael Jackson. You're like, I could just go anywhere I want because there are no lines. So this package is well worth it. We've paid for VIP packages before in parks, and just for regular days, you can get a VIP ticket where you can go to the front of the line and whatever. And that basically is about the same cost as these tickets. So we do this. We have a group of about, I think, 12 people going. So it's a bunch of friends and family. And we do it every December. Orlando Informer, and it's the Universal Park. All the food and beverages are free in the park while you're in there, and nobody else is. So they got the food running, they got the rides running, they got everything running. So I'll show you up close. If you haven't seen my videos already in the past, this is the 2022 Orlando Informer trip. And I will see you guys at the airport. So to give you an idea, that's the water rushing because it's raining outside. What a lovely day to travel, huh? It's pouring rain. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown. So this is really like official day one. We came in early yesterday and spent time down at City Walk and just kind of looked around the shops and stuff. But today is when we go into the park, and I'll show you all that. You've seen it if you've seen the video before. If not, you're gonna see it in this video. But tonight we're going to also review a Irish pub. We doing an Irish pub? Yeah.
Finnegan's.
We're doing Finnegan's. It's called Finnegan's. So we'll show you what it looks like. The menu sounds really interesting. They have nice little starters. If you're into cocktails, they probably have a lot of good Irish cocktails. It should be fun. We'll show you everything up close. Jack and Tammy are currently running to go get some beverages at the convenience store because everything costs $400 in the hotel, So they've taken the electric scooters and they're driving down the street in electric scooters. Okay, guys, we are back at a restaurant called Cowfish. Is that what it's called? Cowfish? And this is the worst table we've ever sat at. I mean, I have to literally look at it comes up to everybody's chin. It's like they're gonna give us dog food bowls, and we're gonna look like cows eating. I know it. So anyway, we're looking at the electronic menu because nobody can afford real menus. So let's see what we got. Okay, guys, after looking at the menu, they have sushi rolls and they have burgers, and then they have sushi rolls that are burgers. No lie. So we're getting one of those. I think we're getting the one, the All-American one.
I think so.
We'll show you up close. We got calamari coming too. So we're getting fish for our appetizer, and we're getting burger sushi. That's crazy. Anyway, we'll show up close in a minute. All right, guys, we got some fried pickles to start us off, and some calamari. This is the double cheeseburger in a kind of a sushi roll. Look how beautiful that is. And then this one is the Georgia roll. I believe this has spicy. This has yellow on it, I think. Okay, what is that?
That's the King's roll.
There's your King's roll. And what's in it? Do we know?
Fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Really?
Fish, rice, and seaweed.
Now I got a freaking. Yeah.
That's really good. Read it. I
forgot, dude. Don't yell at me for my napkin comment after you drop an F-bomb on videotaping. Okay, what do you got there?
This is the Royale burger.
The Royale burger?
Yep, it's got that special W word beef.
Okay, so let me.
I'm not going to try and pronounce it.
Why are you cutting it in half?
Huh? Because me and my wife are splitting a roll and.
The old married couple. I get it.
Yeah. I'm not going to do this on camera.
No, do it on camera. Go ahead.
No.
You know you're going to look that nice.
I charge for this view.
All right. And you got the same thing we did, right? Now, have you tried it? Is it good?
It's good.
All right, cool. Yeah, we haven't tried ours yet. Tammy's too busy playing with wasabi. She's got to mix that in her soy sauce. She does that all the time. More and more people are doing that now. Seriously. You doing it too? Are you doing it over there? There it is.
Thank you so much.
See?
Oh, look at her.
Look at.
She's definitely going to make us do.
Nostrils are flaring tonight.
Thank you.
All right, you've seen me eat sushi before on the show, but you've never seen me eat hamburger sushi. So let me grab one of these. All right, and we'll see how that tastes right there. They're really good at hamburger. It really tastes good, guys. That's surprising how close to a hamburger that tastes.